Chuck Schaeffer. I've been fishing a long time.
Hey, Andrew. Come on, dude. Look outside. Look at how nice it is. Looks like a good day for fishing, huh?
Yep.
It's beautiful out there. There's actually no wind. There's people fishing. You know what makes today good for fishing? Besides the no wind?
Well,
It's been blowing kind of from the east, and that kind of lets the tide out. And of course, when the tide goes out, the herring go out. What do you see, fishy, buddy?
herring.
That's right. Yeah, that's kind of how it works. You follow the food, and that's where you're going to find the fish. So we go to where the fish are. At this time of the year, even though there's fish out here, they're steadily migrating south. There's only a few places in this world that get sheefish. Today, we're just going to go right out here a little ways to fish. That's right in front of the house and in front of Kotzebue. Let's go over and check the gear bag. You can just pull it out one by one, I guess, and we'll see what we got. The lures. That's the ice scoop.
Nix it so you can put your hand right here.
You get that sheefish out the hole, you're gonna have something to club it with, and there it is right there. Looks like we got all the gear. What are you wearing today?
Ski pants.
Yeah.
So my legs won't be cold.
Oh. You got your nice down coat. I have just that. A sweater with a hood. A fairly light jacket. And so, if we had to go a long ways to fish, you want to dress appropriately because it can get cold and it can get nasty in a hurry. Let's go, Andrew. All right, Andrew. Let's load this baby up.
My name's Andrew Greene. I'm in 7th grade. I learned to fish when I was 6, and I fish for food, my family, and to give to others.
You know, just having young people be able to go out and do a little fishing, it gives them an idea of the many ways that you can preserve fish.
Hey, Anaulaqtauq.
So,
This looks like a good place to fish, doesn't it?
yeah.
All right, let's make ourselves a hole.
Gives them an opportunity to learn about this stuff so they can pass on their knowledge 40 or 50 years from now. Just kind of like a rolling stone. Once you know something and you pass it on, somebody else is going to learn. So
This is a 10-inch auger because the ice out there is right around 3 feet thick. That's the reason we have an extension on this auger, and the 10-inch auger enables you to pull out basically the big fish. You don't want to catch a 40 or 50 pound hog that you can't get out of a hole. Oh yeah. Now, the reason we're cleaning out the hole is we don't have any trouble getting the hook down there. That's kind of done.
Catching sheefish it doesn't even cost anything, it's free. Except for your gear. It tastes better than junk food. It's healthier and it has more protein.
Hey, Anaulaqtauq. We ought to go where there's fish. You know what I mean? Sophie's over there and she's caught 4.
Alright.
What have we caught? Lessons in life, dude. Sophie,
Hello, hello.
looks like you got some fish here today.
Yeah, some.
Like
Not
you
very
always
many.
do, huh? Well, catch a fish while we're standing here.
I wish.
I'm gonna be fishing next to you.
That's okay.
Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. command you to catch a fish.
They give anything to any elder, whether it be fish, whether it be meat, whether it be whatever. Cut them up. Don't bring them a whole carcass of caribou. Cut it up. They can't cut it. I mean,
Oh yeah.
don't talk to me.
See what happens when you talk too much?
I know. You know, you could say, fishy, fishy of the sea, come and take a look.
Yo.
I wasn't really trying to say it for me, but I was trying to say it for him.
Every time she starts yapping, she gets a fish.
My ancestors have been doing this for years. Nowadays, people aren't as tough as they used to be. We'd go out fishing in November, December, January.
Oh man, you got one, Anaulaqtauq. That's pretty cool.
We cut it while it's warm so that it won't be harder when it's cold. Okay, I want to go home. Thank you for bringing me out here, Uncle Chuck.
Oh, no problem, dude. It was a pleasure. We'll do it again sometime. So what did you learn out of this whole experience? That fish ain't always easy to catch, right?
Yep.
Sometimes you don't go home with any, but it all paid off.
Now that I caught some fish, I'm going to be going home and I'm going to be cutting them up. My name is Sophie Foster. I've been cutting fish, 40 plus years, maybe more. I'm going to just fillet a fish, just ready to bake. I'm cutting, trying to get as much of the meat as I can. And there's bone right through here. And that's what you hear all the grinding is. This one is the fillets that you could put in the oven just to eat as a fillet, and then whatever is left over you could make a Siifish spread. It's not an overnight thing. It takes practice for you to cut to the edge, you know, so you don't waste meat like here. And I'm gonna grind this up for Siifish patties or fish loaf. This from the backbone, I don't like them when you grind them, because some people could use pliers and take them off, but I'm not a pliers woman. Okay, there's that. And this can all be grind. What you want is a clean skin like this. And this can all be grind. And there's no bones here at the tail end. And then the way I put this away, and then I seal the meal after. By tight wrapping it like this, it keeps all the air out and stuff. This really saves the fish for the summer use. These are for fry, so they'll be ready to eat. Sometimes I season them before I put them away. You see how I'm trying to take the air out of them? It's a lot of work, but in the long run, you have food for a long time. I put chopped celery, chopped onions, stuffing, 3 eggs. I'm gonna put some seasoning in it. Boy, it smells good. I've been going out fishing since I was a young girl. We'd go right as soon as it frees up, and we'd go in front and get tomcods, smelts, and then we'd be Siifish. Okay, this is Siifish patty. We're having it with rice, bowhead whale, and I'm hungry. I would try and learn how to cut them and cook them, put them away. We're losing a lot of our tradition, like our language. My sisters were punished when they went to school, when they tried to speak Eskimo. So my dad opted us not to learn, so that's why I don't talk. So that's a big loss. And this would be something for them to pass on to their families. And it's good food. So enjoy.